one of the biggest grand challenges that's facing society right now is to ensure a sustainable planet.
The vision for the Vanderbilt Center for Sustainability, Energy and Climate is to develop the tools, the technology, and the policies that will allow us to have a sustainable and resilient world.
How do we connect scientific research with all the really cool research people in sociology and psychology and behavioral economics are doing about how do people use information? How do people understand information and use that in making decisions?
So we want to create a center that spans and collaborates across all of these disciplines very seamlessly. And through that radical collaboration, we develop solutions that helps us achieve that sustainable future goal.
We are thinking about fundamental research problems, but also addressing the broad interdisciplinary collaboration across different fields.
The VSEC has an opportunity to be the locus on campus where people from different schools of thought, different literal departments and institutions on the campus sit down at the table together.
Where we're asking questions nobody else is asking because nobody else is having those conversations across the disciplines that we're having here that lead to the big innovative projects.
I think the beauty of a center is that the sum is greater than the parts, right? And we don't want the parts to work in silo and independently. This is why we are putting so much resources into the center.
It's not just about science. It's about what's happening in the clean energy industry, what's happening with our ethics and our values, how are we making decisions as a society. So we need these conversations to happen.
We need to be able to look back 3 to 5 years from now and say, are there innovative new ideas that will solve problems that are theoretically and empirically sophisticated, but can actually make a difference in the real world? And if we've produced those, we've hit a home run.